Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Let's take this Dollar Tree fall wheelbarrow and turn it into some gorgeous fall decor that you'll love to set out every year. The first thing I'm going to do is make a little wooden sign that says pumpkins for sale. I'm going to be using popsicle sticks, markers, and hot glue, but wood glue would actually work better. Paint them whatever color you like. I layered mine with different paint pens and markers. I even added a little bit of gold, and I think that worked out well. I'm going to snap off these ends so that they're jagged, and then I'll just touch them up with a little bit of paint. I also want to glue these two side pieces to the front of the sign. And then I almost messed it up completely. Do y'all do that? Get something where you want it and then totally mess it up in one random move. I ended up gluing two popsicle sticks together to make it long enough, and then I just painted them to match the sign. I'm going to just hot glue it all together. Now that it's done, I'm just going to add the words. I also used a couple of different white paint pens here and permanent markers to write this out. And listen, this took me 2 days and it still looked off. And I even used a pen first and wrote over it in white. So now the florals. I ended up making this a couple of times over and over until I got it right. I'm going to lay the raffia all over this bright white styrofoam and drown that stark white out. In hindsight, after this is all done, instead of fighting with this raffia, I really could have just grabbed a couple of hairpins or even a couple of drops of glue, and that would have tamed this beast, but I didn't. My goal here is evenly spaced and a consistent height. Now, one thing I did notice with this is it was very easy to overwhelm this little thing and knock it over. If I knocked it over once, I bet I did it 100 times. See, it's just not very sturdy, I guess. And for some reason, I also had this tendency to go too high and I'd have to keep scaling it back. Then I added in a lot of fall leaves in place of greenery. I love the richness of these colors. It was warm and spicy and it just really encompasses the feel of fall. Ugh, this thing, I'm telling you, it would not play nice. This is like the third time this thing fell over. So here's what we ended up with. This one's probably going to go to my sister. I grabbed a couple of those burlap leaves from Dollar Tree. This gave it a really good contrast. So round 2 and day 2 for the sun. I went ahead and covered most of it up, but it was a pretty easy fix. Sharpie has these little paintbrush looking tips, and that was the winner here. I'm just going to cut this down to the right size and put that in as well. Now I made a little bow for this, but I ended up not using it. I didn't think it needed it. I've got 2 Dollar Tree ribbons that I put one on top of the other. I make a loop, then I make a second loop, then I twist, loop, twist, loop, done. That gives me 4 loops from each ribbon. Go ahead and secure that with a zip tie. I have one of these floral pick stems. If you can open up these individual stems and lay them flat, you can attach your bow to this, and it gives you an easy way to put it into your arrangement. Go ahead and zip tie that floral pick directly to the bow. Let's go ahead and fluff it out. Of course, we're going to dovetail the ends. Easy and ready to go. But, as I said earlier, it was a little bit too much, so I'll just use it in another project. And we're done. This one is good to go and it's going to fit right in with the rest of your fall decor. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.